What's up, everybody? Oof. I hope I'm getting it. But there go the young kit right there. All 32 birds up there. I won't say all of them, but they are out there. They're flying. Yep. Starting to kit. Alrighty, guys. Again, these are young birds. Some of them have only been here for like 3 days. So, they're not the bestest right now. They're kind of still all over the sky. But for the most part, man, they are flying. That's what I want, is to get them up flying. They were actually kidding for a minute there too. But yeah, all over the sky now. But yeah, they're all learning to come home, learning where to land. And, you can't punish young birds. But yeah, guys, this is the morning fly so far. They were kidding just so good. It said some of them seemed to want to come land, so they started dropping down. But yeah, guys, I just got my camera viewed up. I'm not really following anybody, but yeah, I just want to show you guys that this young kit is going up, getting pushed up, and so far they're starting to kit. They're learning how to work together, so this is a plus. This is what, they're maybe a fourth day up, fifth day, and this is what we like to see, is some sort of teamwork. So yeah, guys, just a little something for you guys. Again, this is not my birds. I'm flying these birds out for a friend of mine, so these are not my birds. But I told him, I was like, I'll fly them out. I'm still learning the location that I moved out here. I'm trying to understand when's a good time to fly, when is not. So I am putting them up. I told him, I was like, there'll be losses, but you know what? We'll take it as it comes. And yeah, man, look at that. Oh yeah, see, look, still got a few up there, but it's okay. Those are the weaker ones, so you can't punish the weaker birds. And some of them were just weaned, maybe a day or two before I picked them up. So I'm not too hard on them. I'd rather they just land on my roof and like learn the surroundings, watch the older birds fly, so they know what's going on. But yeah, okay, my baby getting fussy. So alright, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up short. But yeah, man, look at this young kit, man. They're looking good. Hopefully we get some spinners out of here, but only time will tell. Yep, only time will tell. Alright, F4LESS roller, we out.